Hey, you got the Boston Trucker with you. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the Boston Trucker. We're going to be looking at some old trucks today. Here's a few of them. Now, there are some rules to this video. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. I am not going to say what my location is out of respect for the owner who does not want me to publicize that. Now, if you know where I am, I hope you will respect that and not say where it is in the comment section just because you know. So, we're going to look at some old trucks here. We got an old 359. I am not going to venture into the snow too far, or maybe I will, because I want to see these trucks up close. Beautiful old A model, looks like to be about an 81, I'm guessing. Old bug shield, flat glass. Look at those wipers, so cool. Everything about this truck just screams old school cool right there. Big headlights. John Manning out of Drake, Mass. Man, if this truck could tell a story. Whoo-hoo, look at that. Crawl through bunk. You had to be skinny back in those days. They didn't have any fat truckers. Not too many of them anyways. I can't see what the mileage says. We'll check the video later. So cool. Look at all that legroom. Nice truck. Low back seats. AM/FM stereo. The Wigwam low air buzzer with the air conditioner fan with the vent windows. That's your other air conditioner. And I believe this one's got a floor vent right there. Let me take a look on the outside. Yeah, look at that, right there behind the air cleaner. Really cool. You get storage that goes all the way through. You could throw some load locks in there or whatever you want. Oh boy, I hit the jackpot today, folks. Where do we start? Got an auto car, got a Mack Cruise Liner, you got a B model Kenworth, and we got a Diamond T. Start over here by the auto car. And we got a Case backhoe. Oh, and look at the car. I'm gonna have to come back here in the summertime for sure. Got an old auto car. Look at that. Pretty cool. And we got a Mack Cruise Liner over here. That's the dream truck right there. Cab Over Kings have one. What a beauty. Reminds me of Pigpen. And we've got this Kenworth. We're going deep. We're going deep into the snow here. Going real deep. So this looks like a mid-80s model, right? 84, 85 maybe. Boy, that's a beautiful truck. It's got the fuel stickers on it from 89. Somebody put an accessory vent cover over the sleeper vent. I used to have those on my Budmeier Peterbilt. Let's take a look inside here. Let's see. Can't see the year on this. Nice brown leather. It's got the big hole. A lot of room in this one right here. I'm not gonna go further in because I might get stuck. Got an old GMC with a Mack Bulldog on it. We got a diamond tee. Old diamond tee right there. Oh, it's getting deeper here. I gotta get myself out of here. Gotta find the holes I started with. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait till you see what I found. Wait till you see. We got a nice R model 10-wheel dump truck right there. We got the cab of a Kenworth. Looks to be a early 80s model, right? I think so. I gotta go deep into the snow for this one. Against all better judgment, I say I shouldn't, but I'm going for it. Oh, and it's a long walk out there. Should have brought snowshoes. I just don't have any. All right, this is the first kind of truck I ever drove. White Road Boss, baby, yeah! White Road Boss, the first kind of truck I ever drove when I was a kid on the road. This one's a 6-wheel dump truck. What a beautiful truck. I haven't seen a Road Boss like this in person. Actually no, there's one in Maine, but Rob Balfour's got one, but other than that I haven't seen one in person. But I think Rob's got a long hood, so this is the kind I drove. Let's go take a look. Let's get a little closer. Oh yeah, look how nice it is in here too. I'm being serious. This is what I drove when I was a kid. 14, 15 years old in the early 80s. White Road Boss, same dashboard. Let's see, what's it say here? Engine's a 671. RT 910 transmission. Awesome. Totally awesome. All right, let's look at this. This is the same exact interior when I grew up with a 10-speed Road Ranger. This one's got a PTO. Yeah, the squirrels have been in it. Oh man, this gets me excited. I gotta be honest with you. Some of you too probably are really enjoying this little truck too. All right, I gotta make my way out of here. You know, I was talking with my buddy Scott McLeod. You know, finding places like this, especially up here in New England, well, Massachusetts really, harder and harder to find places like this. And to guys like us, guys who enjoy old school trucks and that kind of stuff, it's like, it's a part of history that, you know, we'll never forget and love to share with everybody, for the younger generations, and to put videos out like this for the future generations to see what trucking was like back in the day. All right, I got 2 more surprises for y'all, and the big ones. Let's go. I misspoke. 3. I saw 2, now I see 3. We got an F model Mack and a B model Mack. I'm not traipsing through that snow to go see these 2, but I have a big surprise behind the F model that you can't see on camera yet. That's an F700 right there. Look at that stack. That thing I bet snapped, crackled, and popped back in the day. Those are my truck sounds. It's got air conditioning on the roof. Rob Balfour, if you're watching this video, hold on to your hat, buddy. Hold on, it's gonna get exciting in about 2 seconds. And we got a nice B model over there. Lawrence Mack on the mud flap up there. Okay. Are you ready for the pièce de résistance, as the French say? This is me building up the suspense. Come on already, get to it. We got ourselves a white 4000. Oh yeah. Ooh. Same dashboard. It's a white 9000. Awesome, totally awesome. I need to fix that. That chain just fell down and I gotta shut this door. There we go. Cool. I love the old whites. So we got a few more. We got a Freightliner FLC way out there in the woods. And then we got a B model over there. And a B model up here. Love it when they get that curve in the stack. This one must be outfitted for a plow. And nice Chevy. Awesome, totally cool. All right, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button right now. Like, share, comment, tell me your thoughts down below, and I will try and respond to as many comments as I can. And if you enjoy this video, there are other videos like this on my channel if you scroll back a little ways. And I'm going to try and bring you some more old school stuff, and that's what this channel is about. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for spending some time with me. I'm the Boston Trucker. Let's roll.